Hi everyone, Tim from SmartFleet Drones here, and today we're going to submit the Safety Assurance Declaration in Canada for the Canada Niska 1. Submitting the Safety Assurance Declaration is fairly simple. Go to the Transport Canada website and select Submitting a Safety Assurance Declaration, and let's go to Submit a Declaration. When I submit a declaration, I'm making a declaration, an official declaration, a legal declaration, that I'm declaring the following make or model, the Canada Niska 1, has been developed and verified to meet the technical requirements for operating and as defined in the Canadian aircraft regulations, but in particular according to Transport Canada Standard 922. So let's fill in the information. The make, SmartFleet drones. The model, Canada Niska 1. The maximum takeoff weight for the Canada Niska 1 is 7 kilograms. Good to see SI units. The aircraft category, it's a VTOL. In Transport Canada speak, that makes it a hybrid of a fixed wing and rotary wing. And what we are declaring here is under Transport Canada Standard 922-8 containment, 9 command and control, and 11 control station design. Name of responsible person. This is not a pre-validated declaration because under Standard Transport Canada Standard 922, a pre-validated declaration is not required, and I'm not a robot. Now, let's submit the Safety Assurance Declaration for the Canada Niska 1. And there it is. So what that Safety Assurance Declaration means is that the Canada Niska 1 is, I am declaring that SmartFleet Drones has built and is marketing the Canada Niska 1, and it complies with Transport Canada Standard 92208, subsection 1 and 2, 92209, and 92211. 92210 would be covered by this asterisk here, and that is that the Canada Niska 1 is designed for flying under Standard 923, vision-based detect and avoid, or in atypical airspace. Stay tuned for the Canada Niska 2, which will be fully compliant and have a full detect and avoid system on board. Let's have a quick look at what is included in Transport Canada Standard 92208, 09, and 11, which is fully documented in, this is the Safety Assurance Declaration document that backs up my submission to Transport Canada, because in order to declare for a Safety Assurance Declaration, you have to design, build, test, and document the complete RPAS design and its compliance with the standards. So Standard 92208 compliant is basically saying that the RPAS won't fly outside the operational volume, and if it does fly outside the operational volume for whatever reason, the operator, the pilot, will be notified. Now we fly autopilot. Autopilot has a solid pedigree of being able to manage flying within a containment area, and there is absolutely no question that we'll be able to satisfy that. And on top of that, we've tested it, and you've seen some of the videos. 92209, command and control link reliability. We're using the C-Uni RC7 controller with the control link, and as again you've seen it, we've tested it, it works reliably out to 12.5 kilometers, which is further than allowed under the vision-based detect and avoid system under Standard 923, which means that you can fly 14.8 kilometers in a circle around the pilot, and you can cover an incredible area with vision-based detect and avoid, and you can also fly 12.5 kilometers from the pilot using in atypical airspace. The last one we're declaring, again fully documented in the safety assurance documentation, is the control station design. The Canada Niska 1 uses the proven and reliable Q ground control and mission planner, and also can be used with the extremely well designed and easy to use Uni GCS control system that comes with the Uni RC7 controller. Altogether, that's the complete safety assurance declaration submitted. If you buy the Canada Niska 1, you're buying a drone with a safety assurance declaration compliant with and fully capable of flying level 1 complex BVLOS operations in Canada.
The future of BVLOS commercial missions has arrived. Introducing the Canada Niska 1 VTOL, a complete ready-to-fly package engineered for the most demanding long-distance missions. With our exclusive Ardu pilot configuration in tune, you're not just flying, you're executing. Capturing stunning video in 4K on SD card and screen recording onto the controller up to 4 kilometers away with full FPV video and bidirectional telemetry. Unlock capabilities far beyond the horizon. With a flight range of 200 kilometers and up to 3 hours of endurance, Canada Niska 1 is built for expansive photogrammetry and critical inspections. It's the ultimate tool for commercial efficiency, reliability, and growth. The mission is waiting. The future is here. The solution is the Canada Niska 1. Canada Niska, proudly Canadian.